Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do if you have a herniated disc. So first of all, of course, it's really important that you know what you have. Just a little bit of or back pain can be a lot of different things. So I definitely recommend that you go to a health professional, to a doctor, to clinic, and they should really check your back in detail, maybe do some MRI or at least some ultrasound or whatever. There are a lot of different things. But if you know what you have, if you have something like a herniated disc, it could be something similar like an annual tear or bulging disc or something like that. It's really difficult to determine what you really have. I have sent my MRIs to different doctors, and one came up with I have an annular tear. One told me I have bulging disc. One told me I have herniated discs. So it's really difficult. But anyway, I think the reason for the pain is actually the same. It's just a different level of damage on your back, and so the exercises are the same. Herniated disc is actually the worst condition of all these three which I've been mentioning. So of course what you can do always is surgery, but it's always risky and it's really expensive. Usually standard laser surgery will be about $20,000 in United States. So your copay is probably around $2,000 depending on your medical medical care insurance, what you have. So it's still a lot of money, and it's still some risk to do so. I have heard many people had success with conservative treatment without surgery, and there are basically two ways. You can always go to physiotherapy or chiropractic, and I've been asking to the doctors who have reviewed my MRI, and they most of them told me it's better to start with physiotherapy instead of chiropractic. I don't know if maybe it's because of the risk. I can't tell you, but anyway, there are some simple exercises which you can do apart from that. Maybe you want to start with that before you spend some money. Anyway, depending maybe on your situation, time, money, whatever. And there are a lot of pages which describe what you can do. Here we have a page. They say you can do yoga or Pilates, and then there are some specific dynamic lumbar stabilization exercises. I have been looking up for something like that on YouTube, and I've been doing that since about 2 months, and I didn't see any real progress. It's a little bit better, but the benefit, the improvement doesn't stay for more than a couple of minutes, so really didn't help me too much. What I've always been trying is walking and swimming. These two exercises helped me quite a lot, but still the benefit was not so much, and it disappeared usually after a couple of hours or so. And I was always a little bit hesitating for biking. Biking, especially if you're biking on a rough surface, it can there are some bumps and it could push against your back, and of course you have to bend forward to hold the handlebar, and that's not actually the best position. Usually people tell you to keep your back straight and don't bend too much, and with biking you have to bend. And so I didn't try it for a long time, but recently I tried that, and it gave me big time relief, even much more than with walking and swimming. So I did it a couple of times, and every time it worked really well. I mean, it was not like a one-time miracle which solved everything, but I was really able to feel the difference, and for me it worked definitely the best. So yeah, it would be really interesting to hear from you what's your best exercise, what worked best for you. Yeah, it would be really interesting to learn. And if you have something, also if you have any questions about what I was telling, just leave any feedback in the comment area below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.